A cat was relaxing on the porch. The breeze was gentle, and the cat was almost asleep. Suddenly, a naughty chicken approached with brisk steps. Without hesitation, the chicken immediately pecked the cat's tail. The cat, startled, jumped up and hissed, "Meow! Why are you bothering me?" The chicken didn't back down, but instead crowed loudly, "Cuckoo! This is my territory now." The cat could only glance at her in surprise, then lazily walked away. Meanwhile, the chicken stood proudly on the porch, feeling like a hero for successfully chasing away a cat.